Welcome to Max class. In this video, we learn about perimeter and area of rectangle, square, right angle triangle and combined shapes. In the chapter perimeter and area, we come across many situations in our day-to-day life which deal with shapes, their boundaries and surfaces. For example, a fence built around a land, frame of photograph, calculating the surface of the wall to know the quantity of paint required, wrapping the textbooks and notebooks with brown sheets, calculating the number of tiles to be laid on the floor. Some situations need to be handled tactfully and efficiently for the following reasons. Using the optimum space to build a dining hall, kitchen, bedroom, etc. In constructing a house in the available land and planning of materials required. The second one is arranging the things like cot, television, cupboard, table, etc. in the proper place within the available space at home. Reducing the expenses in all the above activities. In this chapter, learning of perimeter and area will be of great importance. Perimeter. The length of the boundary of any closed shape is called perimeter. Hence, the measure around of a closed shape is called its perimeter. The unit of perimeter is the unit of length itself. The unit of length may be expressed in terms of meter, millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, inch, feet, yard, etc. The word perimeter is derived from the Greek words peri and metron, where peri means around and metron means measure. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to total boundary of the rectangle. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle equal to P equal to 2 into L plus B units. Here, length, breadth and perimeter of rectangle as L, B and P respectively. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square equal to total boundary of the square. If side plus side plus side plus side equal to 4 into side units. If the side of a square is S units, then perimeter of the square P equal to 4 into S units or 4S units. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle equal to total boundary of triangle. Perimeter of a triangle equal to total boundary of triangle equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. If three sides of a triangle are taken as A, B and C, therefore perimeter of triangle P equal to A plus B plus C units. Area. The area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or surface of an object. Area of rectangle equal to area of any rectangle equal to length into breadth square units. A equal to L into B square units. Area of a square. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are equal, then it becomes square. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth square units equal to side into side square units equal to S into S square units equal to area of a square. Therefore, area of a square equal to side into side square units. Area of a right angle triangle. If in a right angle triangle, one of the sides containing the right angle is treated as bases B units and the other side of its height H units. So, when the rectangular sheet is cut along its diagonal, two right angle triangles are obtained. Area of two right angle triangle equal to area of the rectangle. 2 into area of right angle triangle equal to area of rectangle equal to L into B. Area of the right angle triangle equal to 1 by 2 into L into B square units. Therefore, area of right angle triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height square units. Here L equal to base, breadth equal to height. So, area of right angle triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height square units. Perimeter of combined shapes. A combined shape is the combination of several closed shapes. The perimeter is calculated by adding all the outer sides of the combined shapes. Area of combined shapes. The area is calculated by adding all the areas of closed shapes from which the combined shape is formed. Students, I hope you have understood about perimeter and area of rectangle, square, triangle and combined shapes. Thank you.